Experiential learning is learning by doing. It's students applying their knowledge in real-world situations. It's getting out of the lecture theatre and the seminar room to actually apply your knowledge.
It could be in a laboratory, it could be in the city, in a different country even. It could be in a very real-world setting, a professional setting, in a business, enabling students to really gain the skills that they need for the future.
Experiential learning is doing what students would be doing after graduation, before graduation. So Northumbria has got a long and proud history in experiential learning, and we're one of the sector leaders and have been for many years.
The whole objective of this experiential learning is to engage the student in such a way that they are prepared not only for today but for tomorrow.
It's not just learning new things. It is that, of course, but it's more than that. It's developing their confidence in their own abilities and their own skill set, their social skill set and their business knowledge, developing networks and making their own mind up about what career options sit ahead for themselves after graduation.
And they're not only learning technical skills that apply to their degree and their future career, but they're learning really important soft skills like communication, teamwork, problem solving, that ultimately will improve their employability.
Definitely built an insane array of skills, from my confidence of being able to have conversations with clients. Being a student within this environment, you feel that you are respected and you're a consultant.
You're not just sitting and reading stuff, you're doing it yourself. You're finding out if it works and if it doesn't.
It's not that you're encouraged to fail, but you're given a safe space to try something out that you think might work. And having that sense of creative freedom, I think, is what experiential learning is all about.
I have learned a lot. I know that with this experience that I've gained from working with a client, I can conveniently cope in the outside world.
Northumbria University is committed to delivering experiential learning for all of our undergraduates. We're doing this because we believe this is a key platform for student success. Our students will succeed in their career ambitions because of the experience they'll gain here at Northumbria.